What is Express? As defined by the documentation, Express is a fast, unopinionated, minimalist web framework for Node.js. Alright, let's unpack those terms. First off, Express is very fast due to its minimal nature in implementation. As a result, we can access powerful features like routing and responding to different data formats at a very low cost. Express is unopinionated. There is no one forced right way to write code for your web framework with Express. Therefore, Express allows for a lot of flexibility. This contradicts other frameworks, like, for example, perhaps Ruby on Rails, which is commonly used for APIs that want you to write code in a specific way most of the time. Finally, as a web framework, Express's greatest strength comes in creating APIs for web servers. You can think of an API as a collection of related URLs to grab information from a server and its database. Express contains tons of methods for setting up HTTP GET methods, POST methods, not to mention the other ones like patch and delete. So creating an API with Express becomes a lot more straightforward than native Node. Express also contains nice features like routing, which allows us to define the endpoints of our applications and APIs in order to have more control over what information we send to our requesters. Alright, now that we've had this quick intro to Express, let's move on and build some cool Node.js servers and Express APIs.